waste of time.
Yeah.
If we have to buy something, we go in and search for that. But if you don't need to buy, it's
Yeah.
sometimes I feel it's a good place to walk.
To
If you're
walk.
staying in a near hotel and you want to exercise, come here morning, 8 a.m. 9 a.m.
Yeah.
and
To
walk the whole
walk
mall.
all the market. Oh, this one. To walk whole market. That's
Walk the whole mall.
yeah.
Start from one entrance and then the
Then-
opposite entrance.
And then go on.
I bought it.
So we should go outside. Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
So you're going back to hotel?
No. I will walk a little bit here. I will walk a little bit here.
Are you going to walk around?
Yeah, a little bit I will walk. Later on I will. It's raining.
Yes. Not really. I think it's the air,
The air.
pushing the water out.
Because I have only 3 days to walk a little bit to see, to spend time. I don't know whether I have to give the lecture tomorrow or not. I
They said
didn't.
12th, right?
Yeah, I didn't receive any
They said
message.
12th? No, they said 12th, not tomorrow. Tomorrow is.
12th I am traveling.
Oh, yeah. Oh, they said Monday, right? Yeah.
Today is Monday, so tomorrow is Monday. So I don't know whether I have to give the lecture or not. No idea.
So that area also very famous.
Yeah, I know.
That,
This
crossing?
monorail is
There
there.
are many people playing music,
Yeah.
doing magic and stuff.
Yes. Magic also.
Yeah, like juggling and also showing. They have a lot of shows.
Okay. Let's see.
Fahrenheit. That's also a mall, I think.
That one.
That is also another mall, Fahrenheit.
Uh,
This one and that one, they are also connected on the ground.
hmm.
So, not sure.
So now we should have to.
You want to walk, going to KLCC Tower?
KLCT Tower we can go now. Where it is?
This direction.
This side we go there. Then we walk to see. Let's enjoy. I am enjoying of this. You see how it is moving, moving like. That one I put in the.
So no matter how you move your wrist, it's gonna
Yeah,
stay
it's
straight.
straight. Yeah, I see. You see.
Funny. Big banner. This one, I don't know. This one, I think is the normal ATM.
Which one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You need to withdraw money or something?
Yeah, well, I will be there in KLCC. There is one. There one I can. Or we can find some which you are saying, no? Non-Muslim or Muslim or some. You said me. If you find one, we can take out
You're
money.
not Muslim?
Yeah,
Normal bank, right?
normal bank.
It's normal.
Ah, this is normal.
Yeah.
Can we take this?
I think so. When you go the ATM, they have the sign Visa, Mastercard, everything.
Okay.
But after I tried and it did not say, I realized that the ATM does not have any sign of Visa, Mastercard. Yeah, so here you can see they have the sign of Visa, Mastercard.
Okay.
So you can withdraw.
Take it, this. Let's see.
This is a check deposit. The ATM is this too.
Take it, this. Let's see.
The second one, yeah. Here is Dr. Girish. trying to use the ATM in Malaysia after his last event. Let's see if it's successful this time or not.
What is it?
Dear customer, bank policy. Yeah, it's okay, nothing. Just continue. Let's continue. English. Key your number and then press the enter after keying number. There, green, yes. Account type, credit card, savings account. Which one?
Current.
But you're using a credit card, right?
Yeah.
So it's credit card, no? Oh, please go ahead, sorry. Cash withdrawal. Yeah. And then you can just continue. I think we still have 3-4 days. So Ready? Ready, right? Huh? They ask you if you want a receipt or no. Maybe you clicked on no. They asked if you want to save paper or no. And you said, yeah, I don't need the receipt. So.
Let's go outside.
Here. Congratulations.
Oh, I got at least
You
money.
got worried that your card does not work.
It does not work.
You might have gone back and complained to the bank like, what the hell?
Yeah, what the hell is
my
this?
God. And it's not their problem, it's their problem with the banks in Malaysia. If you go to the MEPS, I will show you MEPS bank also. Usually you will see stuff written in the Muslim language.
Okay. At least the problem is solved.
Kalun Baka.
What was the cost of the SIM? I have to pay you how much?
Cost of the card?
Yeah.
185.
185.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have to pay 200 to you.
Why?
Huh?
Why 200?
185. So 185. Okay, I will
You
pay.
just give me 150 because you paid for the food, right?
Okay. So I gave you 150. Take it. One. And 50.
Okay.
That's finished? Okay.
Going to KFC now?
Yeah, we go.